So previously we set up a variant for our web experience, but I want to address one possible issue that you might be facing. I can't get it to I don't ever see it when I'm running the experience locally, but I have seen it when it's deployed. And the issue is here, if we go into our experience and then let's take a look at the JavaScript. Essentially, this is just being, the HTML is just being injected into the page. And it's working here on my local host, but I've seen it in the past where what I'm assuming is happening is a timing issue where this method is called and the code is injected into the page before this element gets mounted, and therefore you see you see the experience inconsistently. So I'm going to quickly address that. There's two solutions, one preferred, and yeah. So this is my unpreferred way, but this is one way to address this. And I'm just going to copy this method. Okay, so essentially what this does is just a mutation observer, and it is monitoring the DOM, and as soon as the target element that I'm looking for, in this case main, I'm going to have to change this, it would then call the method. Okay, so 1 second here. We're looking for product page, not main. So let's just switch things up. And then I'm going to use this string here. Okay, so a mutation observer, it is looking for this ID. If it's found, then it injects that code. Okay, so that's one way to get around this. The other way to get around this, and I can't verify this 100% that it's going to work, but I'm assuming it's going to work. It's this window.trigger experiences function. And I'm assuming that if I call this on load, that it would it would trigger that experience as soon as the component is then mounted. Okay, so we're going to do another use effect here. This is on my home page right here, and the dependency array will be empty. So this essentially calls the function on load, or as soon as the component is mounted, this component will get called. And just to make sure I don't break anything, I don't think it's necessary, but it makes me feel more comfortable just to make sure I null check it, nothing ever gets broken. Type of window.location does not equal undefined. Just making sure that the window object is available for me, and then I can call that function. Okay, so two ways. I feel like this is the preferable way. As soon as the component is mounted, we trigger the experience. Can't verify this works, but I'm assuming it would. And then the second way would be to, in the JavaScript of the variant, you have this mutation observer. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.